Meezan bank jobs. Operation officer, digital accounts. Eligibility. Minimum bachelor's, B.Com, BSc, BBA, from a reputable university. Experience. Minimum 2 to 3 years of experience, preferably in centralized account opening or in branch banking operations as operations officer. Job responsibility. To perform scrutiny of digital account opening documentation. To input correct and proper customer information in relevant systems. To check account opening forms in terms of AML and CFT guidelines and policies. To perform rectification of reassured accounts and amendments. To handle data cleansing exercise and update relevant fields in the core banking system. To handle branch queries through call and emails. To perform activities against customers' financial/non-financial requests as per bank's SOP. Skills and knowledge. Knowledge of regulatory requirements on opening of entity accounts and general banking operations. Department. Digital Account Center, centralized operations. Location. Head office, Karachi. Last date. December 22, 2022.